again, I'm here to say thank you. And I'm going to tell you why. So I put all my YouTube money aside normally. The first thing you guys helped me purchase that moved my life forward in a productive way was this 2018 camper. Me and my girlfriend have been working very hard to be able to travel and enjoy life, and in my, going into my 40s. And so you guys, the first purchase you helped me make was this 2018 Wildwood FSX camper. It's a very nice unit. It's a 2018. Let me show you the next thing you guys helped me buy. The next major purchase that I made with YouTube money from you guys, and this is me just saving my money over the years, was this guy, this 2004 F-150 with a V8 and a full-size tow package with 149,000 miles on it. Now I've had this, as you can see, it's for sale, and I'm going to show you why it's for sale. Because the next thing you guys helped me buy, again, by me saving my YouTube money, let's have a look. I was able to purchase this guy. This is a 2015 F-250 with low miles. It's got a 6.2 liter. It's basically got the Boss Ford Raptor engine in it, just not supercharged. It is a very nice truck. This is something I had been working up towards, and I now own it. As you guys just saw it on the channel recently when I replaced a few of the cab mounts, all the cab mounts on this thing. It had a little bit of work that it needed, but outside of that, it's a beautiful truck. So I'll take you inside real fast, show you what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous truck. I mean, this thing is just beautiful. It is a very awesome truck with a very reliable engine and transmission in this thing. It is incredibly good shape. It's got all the trailer connections that we need for towing the camper. I wanted something very, very reliable. Granted, it's got a few little scuffs here and there and just kind of tiny stuff. But again, low miles, the thing is in incredible shape. And I got a pretty good deal on it, but at the same time, I had to do a lot of work to it too. So, but I worked very hard on my YouTube channel to be able to own nice things like this. And the reason I have stuff like this is because of you guys. It's not just the dedication of my time, it's because you guys have been watching this entire time and helping me grow as an individual and a person in life. So again, I can't say thank you enough for the people that have been here and supported my channel all these years and has made it possible for me to be able to do things like this. Because my regular job would not be able to pay for a truck like this. My YouTube channel, just by taking that monthly earning and just putting it aside, monthly earning, putting it aside, investing small amounts of that money back into little, buying little cheap bikes and parts and things and then reselling those, has allowed me to purchase things like this. So now I own a multitude of vehicles. I've got a Harley now, I've got 2 sport bikes, I've got 2 trucks, I've got my camper. Like, the amount of stuff that I have been able to acquire over these last 5 years because of you guys and your dedication to me on this channel and being amazing and watching all my content and supporting everything I do has given me opportunities in life that I just cannot say thank you enough for. It is very humbling to be able to do stuff like this, and it's all because of you guys supporting what I do. So from me to you, again, I say thank you. I like to show you the growth of my life and how far I come because of the things you guys do, so you can see that you are helping me across the board. And my objective with my channel is always to help all of you. So whether it's DIY content or answering questions, I devote a ton of my time and energy towards answering emails and Instagrams and TikTok messages I get from people, YouTube messages, and just trying to make all of the helpful content that I can to assist everybody in the world. And that comes back to me full circle when I'm able to do stuff like this. So again, from me to you, big thank you. Again, you've helped me upgrade my life even more. It's amazing. It is so humbling, it really is. So shout outs to all of you guys. Thank you for being here all these years. To the new people, thank you for popping in. As you can see, you can change people's lives with something as simple as the like button and just a quick subscription. You can alter people's lives and help them do better, and the better they do, the more they can help everyone else. That's what this channel is dedicated to, and that's what it's been about almost since day one of this YouTube channel, has been to help other people. And I am glad to say that I have been able to do that, and it's also come full circle for me. So thank you, all of you. Cheers. I'll see you in the next video.